Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Tips with Skips. Today, we're going to take a little bit of a different route. We're going to be talking about some detailing products and stuff that we use here because we're actually going to be bringing detailing back to Skips. We used to do it in the past. We took a little bit of a break, but we're bringing it back. So I just want to talk about some of the things that we have here. In a later date, I'll go deeper into these products. So if you guys wanted to grab these, and then you'll have them for when we go deeper in. But first, a couple of things we'll go through. Really simple microfiber cloths. You can buy a pack of them from Walmart. They're very, very cheap. They're great to have. They can be used for like dusting, wiping down, chemicals cleaning, whole bunch of really cool things. Uh, Drying cloth, very important. People used to use chamois. These are a little bit better than chamois nowadays. They absorb just the same, but they're not going to damage the paint. Um, just a quick cloth, hand mitt for wiping down vehicles, for foaming them up. What else do we have? This is the slime that you would use to help pick up little dust particles and everything inside your vehicle. As you can see, it's very sticky, but doesn't leave any version of a residue. So it helps to pick up all little dust and stuff in every little crack that you have in there. Simple little set of detailing brushes are great to have. Won't damage nothing in the vehicle, get into your cracks and crevices. Air guns, air tools, if you have access to air while you're detailing a vehicle, makes it so much better. There's tons of different things you can do with air when it comes to detailing. Wax applicator pads, they're great to have. Slip right on your hand for when you're doing the waxing. They're also made of the same microfiber material as the rags, so those are great to have. Uh, Stronger bristled brushes. Basically, sometimes, tires help clean up your white wall letters or anything like that. They're good to have, and they go from soft all the way up to really hard bristled. They're good to have. Another thing is brushes you can put onto a simple drill attachment. Helps with the carpets, helps get it aerate the carpets, gets all the dirt out, everything like that. Those are really good to have. Another quick thing to have if you're washing your car in your driveway, water blades saves you a bunch of time. When you're done, when you're starting the drying process, you just scrape it all off. It's made of a very soft rubber. It's not going to damage anything at all. And then simple clay bar system. Really easy to use. This is actually Mother's Speed Clay, which works really, really well. We'll go deeper into this definitely down the road when we start talking about exterior detailing. Then you have foam gun, very simple. You can get in several different kinds of manufacturers make them. You don't have to get a specific one, but foam guns are very, very good to have. Then we also just use a very small, simple pressure washer. They're great to have. You don't really need to go get anything too crazy. Sometimes you don't want to go too crazy because you can actually damage stuff if it has too much pressure. That's a whole nother story, but we'll get there too. And then just a simple little extractor system for like any spots, stains, anything in your vehicle. As I said, all these things are things that we're going to be doing videos on down the road. I just wanted to show all this stuff to you guys. So maybe if you wanted to grab the stuff and then you could kind of do the stuff along with us when we get to them. But yeah, so if you have any more questions or anything, and if you want to book detailing, feel free to call us or 603-382-1010. And then feel free to check online at skipsgaragerepair.com. Hope you guys have a good day.